Hey, it's Roy Richardson. I'm your friendly neighborhood tech troublemaker, and each week I talk about content creation. We are content creators helping content creators. How can you get 1% better? What's YouTube doing now? And then I bring on amazing guests who talk about the content creation journey, how they got started, things they learned along the way, and things that you can use to make your content even better. And watch now the video montage.
Oh my goodness. I thought for a while that I was probably single-handedly what was the original domain? Not Netscape. Before GoDaddy came in, what was the
Network
original,
Solutions.
guys? Network Solutions. There you go. I felt I was keeping the lights on in the office because I was buying domains like nobody's business. It was crazy.
We're going to talk about gear and why it's you can't let that be what stops you from doing content.
I started with one, and having a home profile that you then link to all of your other different profiles. So you can always get back to your home. Think of it like your home screen on your phone or something. But then you press the button and it opens up another profile for a different use case that you've got.
I disagree with you on the top 10 Christmas songs, but your scientific data for that, I accept that. Your data was scientific.
With. It was the numbers.
It was the numbers, I know.
You can't disagree with math.
I sold my digital soul to Google a long time ago, so usually when they're doing experiments, they'll email me and say, Roy, do you want to play around with this? Just very slick. How did you get here? But we all want to know. We're taking notes.
I'm going to tell you all a secret. I've never said this on anybody's show. My first reason is when I started doing things with technology, social media, being online, my first real honest heart reason was I wanted to know at least 2 steps more than my daughters.
Some creators are amazing and they go out and they record their own B-roll because they've scripted out what their video is going to be about. And then they go out and they film that B-roll, and then they do the A-roll, which is the primary video with you on screen. And then they will go and take that video and put them all together, and so you have B-roll. So you may not know this, but YouTube is hard. It is hard work. It is not easy. It is so complicated at times. And yes, it's really simple. As so many people like to say, YouTube is simple. Why is it simple? It isn't. It isn't simple. Sure, if I can make a video that you want to watch, and I can make a beautiful, wonderful, amazing thumbnail, and I have that title that tells you this is exactly the video you've waited your whole life to watch, then YouTube is easy. Subscribe. If you like this kind of stuff, you're supposed to subscribe to it already. And here we go. Here's that outro. I always have to check my arrow. Yeah, Google's going to tell you to watch a video. YouTube's going to tell you to watch a video. And there'll be a big subscribe button in the middle. So hit that. And thanks so much for watching.